how to use magnet mode in TradingView. That's our topic for discussion today in the Market Secrets TradingView Trick series. Before we get started, I'd like to mention that we at Market Secrets had recently launched Algo Traders Program ATP. If you are someone who is interested in learning end-to-end algo trading, then you can consider joining ATP. I'll leave the link to it in the description section of this video. And with that note, let's jump into today's session on magnet mode. So let's start with charting. Okay. So we have a blank chart open right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this price range tool, and I'm going to draw the price range. Okay, let's say I'm drawing an zone here. So if I zoom in, right, if I zoom into the zone, generally what happens is this zone will not be well formed zone. If you look at here, right, this some part of the wick had been missed while plotting this chart. Likewise, right here also, this was plotted at some random juncture here. It's not based on any particular candle length. So we might miss few pips or few points or few ticks here while drawing the zones if we normally draw the zones. Instead, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to enable the magnet mode. Okay, so I'm going to enable the magnet mode. So if you click here, the magnet mode will become enabled. So once that is done, right, it will automatically, the magnet mode will automatically anchor your zones to the available wicks. Okay, the closely available wicks. Okay, so if I'm drawing here, right, so what will happen is it will automatically, okay, take the till the edge of the particular wick. Okay, if you look at here, right, it's perfectly aligned. If you see here, right, the zone is perfectly aligned with the wick. Likewise here also, it's perfectly aligning with this particular candle, this green candle. This is what I took it as a starting point for my zone drawing. So it perfectly aligns. Okay, so I'm going to draw on more. Okay, if you look at here, right, if I click here, on this candle, right, it'll automatically take that candle's wick. Likewise, right, if I click on this candle's body, right, it gives, for example, right, I want to draw it based on this candle, right. If I want to draw based on this wick, if I go to the wick part of it, it will automatically pull me to that particular wick's end. Likewise, if I go to the body, it goes to one edge. Now it goes to the next edge, and if I want to go for the full wick, it automatically goes to this full wick. If I even drag it midway between these two, between this wick and body, and if I click, even then it will actually draw till the end of the wick. That is how it does. But if you disable this magnet mode, right, I'm disabling it. If I want to draw from middle of the wick to the middle of the wick also, I can draw. But that is not possible if you opt for the magnet mode. If you opt for the magnet mode, you can click here. Even if you click here, it will automatically go down. See, and even if you click on this line, right, if you click on this line, even then it will draw till the edge of the wick. So this is how this magnet mode works. So always use this magnet mode, because it will eliminate any errors while drawing the zones, so that your zones will be proper, covering till the end of the wick. Sometimes when price pullbacks, right, it pullbacks till the edge and bounce back. So if you are not drawing the zones properly, and if you're leaving few wicks or few points outside of it, right, there's a chance that your stop loss might hit, and then the script might bounce back. So to avoid such errors, it's always good to use the magnet mode. And even within the magnet mode, there are two different modes, that is a weak magnet and strong magnet. Okay, so if you select strong magnet, right, and if you click on any area, right, for example, right, this candle is here, but I'm not clicking anywhere near the candle. I'm clicking at the bottom of it. Even then it will pull towards this particular candle automatically. Likewise, right, if I click on even at the topest range, it will I actually clicked here, but the drawing was based on this particular candle, so it actually pulls to the candle. Okay, so let me do it again. Okay, I'm clicking here, so I'm right above this particular chart. So if I click here, the zone will actually be marked here. So see, so I'm clicking here, but zone is actually marked at the candle start. Likewise, right, I'm actually, going down all the way, or I'm taking 3 candles or 4 candles. Okay, maybe let's take 2 candles. I'm not clicking here. I mean, I should be clicking here, but I'm clicking all the way down here, but still the marking is done here. So with strong magnet, it actually pulls the zone closest to the candle automatically. But with weak candle, right, you are allowed the flexibilities. Even though area is here, right? If I want to mark a zone here, I'll be allowed to mark if I have selected weak magnet zone. Okay, so only if I'm going close to that candle, the magnet will come into picture. So if I'm close to this candle, then the candle will come into picture. Okay, but in case if I'm far away from the candle, right, for example here, if I am away, I'll be allowed to draw the zones freely. So that is the difference between strong and weak magnet. It's always good to use weak magnet, but if you want to use strong magnet, you can use that as well. And with that, we have come to end of today's episode. If you have any queries, comments, feedback about this episode, leave it down in the comment section. Also hit the like, share and subscribe button if you find this video useful. Thank you.